Hello everyone, Ryan here. I'm going to spend a couple of minutes just introducing myself to you, telling you about one of my passions, why I'm a mortgage broker, and the kind of experience that you should expect if you engage me to help you with your next loan. So first of all, my name is Ryan Roby. Hello, how you going? I've been working at Home Loan Village for 12 months now as a mortgage broker. And I wanted to start off by telling you about one of my passions, and that is renovating houses. So my wife and I bought our first house back in 2007, and we've been through 5 different houses since then. Each one of those houses we have done some significant renovations to. There's 2 reasons for that. One reason is financially, it's been very beneficial. But the other reason is it's kind of a part of who I am. I'm a very hands-on kind of person. Every time we buy a house, much to my wife's frustration, I'm looking for something that I can improve, change. I get a lot of satisfaction out of seeing what was and what now is. And obviously, again, reaping the rewards from the value that we're adding to each of those homes so that when we sell it, we get another step up and we get to move on. So that relates to why I'm a mortgage broker. The first 2 houses that we purchased, I went direct to a bank to get a loan. Thought I did a pretty good job. The third house, I was introduced to a mortgage broker. This was before I was a mortgage broker myself. And I learned very quickly there how I was leaving a fair bit on the table for the first 2 houses. So being able to go to a mortgage broker and allow them to leverage off all the different lenders that they're accredited with was really beneficial for me. So that has had an impact as to why I am a mortgage broker, as well as having that passion for buying and selling houses and renovating houses. Obviously, one really key factor within that is needing to access a lender to borrow money from. So part of who I am is I love a good deal. Any of you that already know me, you know that I don't just go out and buy something. I spend a fair bit of time making sure I'm getting the right deal and a good deal. And with that being part of who I am, that's definitely something that you should expect to receive as a service from me. So I'm accredited with 39 different lenders now. The luxury of that is being able to find one that will first and foremostly lend to your requirements. And in most cases, we want to have more than one lender, and we do have more than one lender that will lend to your scenario. So once we've got more than one lender, we can obviously leverage off all of them and try and get you guys the best deal possible. So having that as a requirement for myself and a passion for myself, that's something that you're also going to get from me, because you're going to get treated the same way that I would want to be treated if I was the client. The other thing that I'm really passionate about, guys, is communication. I really don't like being in any scenario where I'm being left in the lurch. I don't like lack of communication. Just tell me where I stand. Sometimes it's bad news, but at least we know where we stand. So again, with that being part of who I am and what I require, that naturally is the way that I treat you. So you're going to get a very high level of communication. We establish a WhatsApp group every time we bring a new client in, and that allows us an opportunity to provide lots of little updates, minor and major. And it also allows you to jump on and ask questions when you want to ask anything at any time as well. So that's a little brief rundown, guys, of who I am, why I do what I do, one of my passions, and how you're going to get treated by me if you engage me. So hopefully I hear from you guys soon. Please reach out. Thanks, guys. Bye.